Mubs got beats, 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 beats.
Everything ain't right no more. I ain't seen like in so long. Our times don't last that long. Out all night and can't go home. Gotta get paid for everybody waiting. Motherfuckers changing, crackers won't slay me. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work. Gotta get paid for everybody waiting. Motherfuckers changing, crackers won't slay me. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work. Fuck this shit, hurts my soul. Grab my house, don't feel like home. Where the fuck did we go wrong? We about to lose a baby, auntie cousins going crazy, more pressure lately. I'm stressing daily, but holding on. Smoking strong, that's back to back. Trying to flip like acrobats. Hustle day and night. My circumstances, barely options. Plots and schemes, I'm neat concocted. Go hard, adopted, turn me grimy, right in the private sleep. Somebody's watching, somebody's watching. Baddie trapping, burn they doctrine. Crackers on my soul. Content control, slave patrol, still on payroll, indigent service now. Justified workmen, killing with purpose. Return of forces, spill horses. Death is money, head dollar bloody. Line niggas ain't lucky. Peso forever, no budget. OTM 700, ain't touching, we bustin'. True blood, no discussion. You know how it go, out all night and can't go home. Gotta get paid for everybody wait. Motherfuckers changing, crackers won't slay me. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work. Gotta get paid for everybody waiting. Motherfuckers changing, crackers won't slay me. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work. Hell no, that ain't gon' work. Gotta make something work.
Militancy and diplomacy go hand in hand, you know. I mean, diplomatic, we must be first. Yeah, it's a diplomatic service that we should be concerned with, you know, for the whole of our people. In order to do that, we have to be tactful, endurant, you know, the way we deal with people, each other. You gotta have a skill in dealing with people. Tact, you use tact. That's diplomacy. To create those relations, you know, those affairs, dealing with them. It's all conducting relations of our people, you know, other people, of our people mainly. You know, we build up different things. We build up the trade. We govern laws and you know, put it to work, put it to use, application. You know, we have no diplomatic immunity out here. Okay? So you line me up, you know, line me up. For what? For what next? Diplomacy? Being diplomatic? Are we being diplomatic? Are we tactful? Well, I don't think that's something that we understand, you know, or we official in that instance. Because if dealing with people, you know, is an issue. If our people can't deal with people with tact, I mean, where is there any type of diplomatic service to one another? If the concern is something else. Hey, listen, the matriarchy was created by that man, wasn't he? He was created, that man, to protect. And what did he create? Protection. He protected it, so continue to protect her. You understand? You do that. You create that situation where you should continue to protect that. She's diplomatic in every way. And she can't sway far away from the man. How? That's why the militancy and the diplomacy go hand in hand. That's what we're not understanding. No? There is none greater. The two, Paul, the art behind it has to be tactful. You have to understand the war you're going into, understand your opponent. That's tact. You must be diplomatic. A diplomat is the stat. You know? And so we all go around saying what others should and could and would do. When you have a service that you must render as an individual. As an individual. Render that service. No, we gotta be, we're not concerned with relations with one another. Seems as if, it's more so, these people need to be doing this, these people need to be doing that, because this is the way that I see it. Perception is merely about an individual experience. Let's remember that. The individual's experience. You may perceive something different than I would, based off experience. Either the lack thereof or the lack of, or of. Right? So who's running what? What's really being ran? Do we have a militant diplomatic stance in the world order? The diplomats. Where we at? Where they at? Alright? Look, brothers, it's peace and love to everybody, brothers, sisters, everybody. Sister Ka Ba love everybody. I can't tell you I love you. I don't know you, but what I mean by that is, that's what I am. I don't, I don't give it this precedence in the way that I view people and relations. Shit is weak to me. People saying people should do this, that, and side here. I don't care about that. I'm standing strong, standing affirmed. Okay? You don't get that wagon ride. Not from me. Okay? Nobody. Now, I love all my people. I mainly kick it a lot with my family at NBK. The history all day. People think that it has to be this situation where everybody's sink the battleship. Sink the battleship. Everybody got to jump on. Oh, yeah. All right. She fell. She came through. The next person jumped on. Yay. She couldn't handle the weight. She fell. He fell through. Shit. Sink the bat. Man, this is real information. If you're not dealing with the history, of our people, the history of these lands, the history, world history, you get it. You definitely get it with new black knowledge. Because it's knowledge you never knew. It's new to you. Okay? That's a fact right there. It's information you never knew. It's new to you. It's new to me. And this is not a journey that just started. Not for me. Because I'm not 20. Or in my 20s. Okay, so I've been there. I understand so much. Right now, sis, I don't profess to know it all. But I know that the rites of passage, you understand me? As my ancestors view it, it's a separate thing. That woman gets that rites of passage. She gets to understand what it is, and she's coming up into that hood. What it is to be a mother, a mother, life, or giver of life, or wife. Like my brother Kofi Paisai from Aussie Warrior Clan would say. He says all the time, Well, he had a video that said that the African marriage was the most important ceremony. Marriage was the most important ceremony in Africa. He got a video about it. Y'all check that out. It's a powerful video, you know. Brothers putting in work, you know, trying to give out people information they've never had. This is important. This shit is key, you know, to our survival. You know, here on this plane of understanding. Comprehensive skills we lack. You know, chronology of life we lack. The biblical beliefs or religious beliefs, if you want to contend with it. I know here where I'm from, the biblical belief is very, you know, very high. You know, I'm not saying it's not all over. I'm just saying here, down in these areas, you know. But we gotta, you know, those are things we have to understand. You know, that's sort of when the laws come, when they talk about the laws and us govern our laws, yeah, we look at different laws, and people mess with terms. If you say laws of my, you say, I say principles. What do we stand on? Huh? What principles did the ancestors stand on? You know, at the point of the greatest achievements, great accomplishments, and greatness. What do we see? What does the world idolize? For what reason? I don't understand, because it is me. It is me. You know, family, we need to look at it from that standpoint. And so I just thought that militancy and, you know, diplomacy just were areas that I think we don't even, we say separate them. But it's the complement in them. And the two of them, the detriment of the two. Conducive and conclusive. It's one. Peace to my brothers, NBK. Much love to y'all. This was for y'all this morning because I couldn't really sign in. And I be wanting to dip in to hang out with y'all and laugh and giggle sometimes. You know, I like to have like I was talking about the rite of passage. I want my brothers to know one thing about the rite of passage. The men had one, and he was coming up into manhood, you know, young adulthood. He had his own rites of passage. So I don't really dip the lines because I understand where it's drawn at. You know what I'm saying? You know, and I know what was created to protect what. You know? And that's the point where we at, just right there. Just right there. That's why we're supposed to be compliments of one another. You know? That old diplomatic matriarch would definitely be there to handle lots of affairs and to be there for the things that happen. She has to have that way. If she was with the matriarchy the whole time, constantly, where's the diplomacy to the man? We have to have that. You know, we have to have that. That's important, you know. And the same for the man with the woman, as I stated earlier. He must be that protector, you know, of that matriarch. So protect that matriarch. You hear me? That's, you know, lots of brothers get praised with doing just that. And, you know, sisters like myself, we appreciate brothers of such. We love you. You know, I have to stand on that. Sister Ka Ba love you. You know, I don't know, you know, I don't know no other way than to love my people, you know. That's it. That's all I have to say, family. Peace to y'all. I wanted to tune in, but I could see it's not going to happen. I wanted to get on the hangout because I know y'all chilling out, brothers. My brothers, all my brothers, NBK brothers. Love y'all all. Peace, peace, peace. This is the Ka Ba. Peace, peace, fam.